In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for event management. This comprehensive guide will provide you with all the essential steps needed to streamline your event planning using Monday.com's intuitive platform. So let's dive in and get you started on your path to becoming an event organizing pro. First, head on over to Monday.com. It's essential to start at the right place to access all the tools you need. Once you are on their homepage, you'll notice the option to log in located at the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a familiar screen where you can choose to sign in with Google or manually enter the email address you'll be using for your account. If you opt for the Google route, ensure that you select the correct email account you intend to work with. This will ensure a seamless login experience. Once you're logged in, you're greeted by your workspace. You may notice a blue plus sign button on the left side of your screen. This button is crucial as it's your gateway to creating new boards, which are fundamental for organizing your events. Give that button a click and hover your mouse over the board option. This action will prompt additional settings where you can start with a template, a handy feature that saves you time and provides a structured framework right from the start. Next, click on Start with Template. This option is a great time saver, especially when organizing events, because it offers preset structures that you can customize later. By having this base, you're not starting from scratch, and it allows you to focus more on the specifics of your event. To find an appropriate template, type event into the search box after clicking the checkbox. This narrows down the options, making your search quick and effective. Look through the choices and select the event management template. Now this is where the magic starts to happen. Click on Use Template to commence building your event management board. Congratulations, you've now set up your very own events management template. At this point you have a framework in place that you will use to manage all the aspects of your event. Feel free to customize the boards and columns to fit the unique requirements of your event. This feature allows you the flexibility to tailor your management template in a way that suits you best. Adjust the details to reflect your event's timeline, designate tasks to specific team members, track progress, and keep all of your pertinent information organized in one easy to navigate space. By following these clear and concise steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage events using Monday.com. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your event planning.